for.
A very good morning to you all. Welcome back to the day 6 of your journey towards self reflection and self improvement. Set a goal for yourself that makes you want to jump out of the bed in the morning every single day. Each morning we are born again, and what we do today is what matters the most. You have never lived this day before, and you never will again in your entire life. So make the most out of it, whatever you can in your capacity. Friends, as mentioned in my earlier talks, it sounds really funny that how we outgrow, we forget about the things, we leave behind those things what we once thought that we could not live without it. And then a time comes when we fall in love with something what we didn't even know that we wanted those things in our life. So life keeps leading us on journeys we would never like to go on if it were up to us. So don't get afraid any point of time. Have faith, have trust, find the lessons what you learn and trust the journey. So the prompt that I have brought you for the day 6 to think on is, what's something you have let go that once meant everything to you, meant the world to you? And what's something you love today that you never even knew you needed that in your life? One of the happiest moments in life is when you find the courage to let go of what you cannot change in your life. And you don't need a new sunrise to start over. You only need a new mindset. So keep going. Everything what you deserve will come to you at the perfect time. With this, I come to the end of today's prompt. See you again tomorrow with a new prompt for day 7 towards your journey to self-reflection and self-improvement. Thank you again. Have a great day. Jai Hind.